How to transfer money from a Walmart gift card to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer money from a Walmart gift card to Cash App. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch and open Cash application on your mobile device. Now click on the Balance tab at bottom of the screen. Select Add Cash and enter the amount you want to add to your account. Tap Add and choose the type of gift card you have. Enter your gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check the information and click Add Card to complete the process. This way you can transfer money from a Walmart gift card to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.